Believe it or not, it's over 10 years since I've been demonstrating this technique at a lot of the shows and all around the UK. And it started off by a lot of hand quilters saying that there wasn't anything new for them because everything had to be machine quilted or they were looked upon as second-class citizens. Well, my answer to that is there's nothing new, we just have to look at it in a different way. So I've reintroduced some old techniques of Italian quilting and Trapunto and mixed it up with a bit of English quilting and my version of French Boutis. A large-eyed, round-ended knitter's needle and some quilting wool. Now the quilting wool you can buy in 25 grams. That would be enough to do a complete cushion. So from this piece I should get 2 or 3 tops out of it. Or you can buy it as 100 grams. If you're going to make a quilt, buy a bigger piece. I import this, I'm the only person in the UK who has this wool. It's machine washable and it's pre-shrunk.